Okay, guys, a little update for you. Been busy. I'm in my warm garage. Imagine that. Turn it around here. Bing. There we go. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I'm not. What did I do? Oh, I did it again. Oh, there we go. So, in the warm garage. Yeah, the snowblower melted off the snow, and I got a puddle there. Looks like runs into a puddle there. Great. That's what squeegees are for. So anyway, I think this is working. Seems to be. I didn't have flow earlier, and I bled some air out of it, and I just bought another hose end, and I'm gonna build that hose up. I just tired, and I thought this was giving me trouble, but it wasn't calling for heat. So yeah, when I came home from the store, it wasn't calling for heat. Goes quite a while between heat calls. Um, so anyway, you can see we got. It takes a little, it takes a little while for that water temperature. Once it's running a while. Well, I turned it from 50 to 60 earlier today to just see how it would ramp up. And yeah, we went through a lot of coal today in our experimentation. 3 40-gallon buckets in 24 hours, which I'm used to going through two 5-gallon buckets in 24 hours. So not too much worse. But yeah, you can see it takes quite a while. That slab, here we got 110. It gets up to 120 after it's running for a while, but we got like 120 leaving the house. So yeah, 112 right now. It's usually averages 115 to 120. It just went on. I was down in the basement when I saw the light come on, and I wanted to come out here and make sure it's flowing. And yeah, we got 70 going back. So I was gonna ask if I needed a air scoop here, but I don't know. Seems to be okay. I got air in the primary zone too. I can hear a bubble every once in a while. Does the um, scoop take care of that? And the little plastic cap on top of the air valve on the top of the scoop. Does that need to be off, loose? I have it loose right now, but So there's the water from the house. I got some fittings here, and this seems to be working. I don't know if I need to flush this or not. Here, I don't know. I'll put the camera up and you can hear that. See it? I got flow. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here, guys. Thanks for all your help. Somebody in YouTube land's probably screaming, take that man's tools away from him. I got yeah, 6/10. They're about half a gallon to 0.6 in each. They're not all completely equal. Like one of the loops is not 300 foot. It's like 240. I ran out of room. But yeah, I could take my, there's the thermostat. That's the T6 Pro with the slab thing. There's my wire going down there. There's a lovely Colony Park that I got to get working on. Just so I come out here and work and I put that propane heater in here and I get a headache. Yeah, nah, no good. So I got to get to work. So yeah, I'm working on this Colony Park. I gotta work on it. I got so much shit to do around here. Just taking care of meal time's taking a lot longer too. I didn't tell the YouTubers out there. My mom and I went on a keto diet and trying to get her blood sugar down, and it's working really well. She's feeling better. The swelling in her legs is going down a lot. There's still some there. She got feeling back in her toes, she was telling me. And yeah, here's the car everyone hates. Yeah, the car everyone hates, the hybrid hoopty. I got it in here. I was going to do an oil change, and then I got the mail, and I got a recall notice on this thing that the engine may fail. So, do I change the oil or don't I? It's still clean, but it's due for mileage. It's got about, it's 3,000, not 5,000. Anyway, I like my hoopties. But anyway, yeah, Lincoln's broke. I gotta work on it. I gotta get this out of Nick. Get this thing out of my freaking way. Look at that. This is the rear out of the wagon. We already swapped over the 355 rear. This was a 308 Posi, I think. Look how nice. I mean, you got surface rust on there, but this is an Arizona car. It's just beautiful. But anyway, yep, I don't want to waste all your day there. I just wanted to show the guys on Coal Pail there that yeah, here you go. I got my Raytech here. This thing's like 25 years old. Surprised it still works. I paid like $300 for this thing back then. Yeah, you can see. And I got temperatures on the, I got the car 61 degrees, 60 degrees, that metal cabinet there 60. Oh, it's pretty even. Probably losing some heat there at the garage door. No, not too bad. Okay, down here at the floor. Oh, another thing I didn't know how the building was going to get together. Don't have to worry about icing up the bottom of the garage door. Because, here. Where is it? 54, 53. Where is it? 60. Yeah. Right there. I'm going to get myself one of those infrared dealy dudes and then I can see, because I got this area here, like here. All right. Oh, the whole slab got warmed up. Wow. Because I don't have any heat here. Oh, there. Yeah. There's no floor heat here. Because of where the lifts might go. Check the center here. Scott's just walking around the shop. Yeah, I got to do some cleanup here. Yeah, it warmed the whole slab up. You can see. It warmed the whole slab up. 57. There's no heat in the center here. Yeah, it just heats the whole slab. Amazing. Amazing. So, one happy Lincoln maniac. Anybody wants to come help me clean up this shit, I'd love it. I want to organize the sheds, get this turned into a working zone. It's really hard to work right now. I'll show you another thing before I go. I got to get a new air compressor. That's worn out. It needs the connecting rods wiped out and the crankshaft's all scored up. It's a Gardner Denver, built in 1971. I really think the parts would be a fortune, so I need to rehead this, put a new compressor pump on there. I got a 3 horsepower motor here. I don't know. I was looking at the ones on the Chinese ones, but they call for a 5 horsepower motor. I don't know if this big old 3 horsepower would run it or not. I don't want to take any chances, but yeah, somebody gave me this. It's extremely heavy. Extremely heavy. So, it's not one of them freaking Home Depot units. So I thought, maybe just, do I replace it or just replace the compressor? Yeah. The only place we have any air leakage, top of the doors. You can see light on the outside when you're in here, when the lights are on at night. I don't know what much you could do about that. Both doors are latched. Very quiet in here. There's the hoopty again. So, yeah. Nice warm floors. No excuse for you guys not to come and visit me now. So, I think the heat call's over. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's over. Alrighty. Alright. We got no flow. I'm going to go down to the basement and check, and if it's still calm and we don't got no flow, I'm going to go into panic mode. But, so anyway. Alright. Throwing the camera everywhere. So, that's what I'm up to. And hope everybody has a great day. Snowy here in Pennsylvania. We're going to get more snow this week, I guess. We had 5 inches today. What a mess. So, it is what it is. Hopefully it'll be summertime soon. Yeah, so I see I gotta put some air in that tire over there. So, anyway, you guys take care. God bless, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.